Hi, and welcome to the monthly video for May 2021. Viztips are now available in the Tiles extension. This is the perfect way to add a trend to your Tiles data. Adding a link to more information has never been easier. In your measure, simply add an expression with the link and have Tiles open it for you. One of the two new extensions this month is the Vizlib Toolbar. Use button groups, drop-downs, calendars, radio buttons, input boxes, switches, sliders, or just regular buttons to control your applications. Make selections or other interactive changes to your apps quickly and using a minimum of space. Vizlib Toolbar is customizable to design what you want and also responsive to match your screen size. Download, give it a go, and of course, share your beautiful creations with us on social media. With the introduction of a feature called horizontal verticalization, there is no longer a limit to how many columns of data can be used in the finance report. But since over 10,000 columns was never very practical anyway, the big boost is that Finance Report now only loads the columns it needs. This makes wider tables a lot faster, especially if you have heavy calculations or a lot of data. To take advantage of this feature, activate it in the Property panel. Teamwork has a brand new design. Features include several small improvements, like for example how you add images and data and how comments are edited and deleted. Worth a separate mention is definitely the option to filter by workflow status. Select any status and quickly get a list of comments with only that status. Writeback in input form has a brand new feature we call associated fields that makes it quicker to find the right data and improves your data quality. Connect fields in association groups and you get the same experience as you're used to from Qlik Sense, but within your own selected fields inside the writeback table. You can, for example, start at the top of a hierarchy and get the details, or select a detail and the related groups are automatically filled out for you. For dropdowns, you can choose between the custom sorting for writeback or use the Qlik Sense sorting options that also allows you to use load order if you don't select any other sorting options. With this version, writeback and input form introduces support for Snowflake integration. Connect writeback table or input form to your favorite Snowflake database.
Gantt can now be set up in 3 easy steps using our new wizard. Demo data can be used to get started without importing your own data. Step 1 involves connecting your event data. After I've selected my event, I then select my start date and end date. Alternatively, I can use a duration field if I have that in my data. I can then customize progress or event tags. In my event tag, I will add resource, so I know who's working on which task. The next step in the wizard is to set up grouping. I select my lowest level of grouping, which is group, and my next level, the highest level, is phase. Next I want to change my color. I want to color by group. And lastly, that brings us to step 3 with our finishing touches. I'm happy with most of these options. I'm going to change the default time range to monthly, so we're looking at the right range of data. And that's Gantt set up in under 60 seconds. More new customizations have arrived. With custom bar height offering adjustments on your events, more information can be displayed while having less clutter. Cascading events bring back familiar views from classic project planning tools, where event names can be shown on the left-hand side. Event names can be removed from bars to achieve a clean, compact view. The line chart is a classic way to visualize data, but finding insight in these charts isn't always easy. We thought we could improve this experience and make it much easier to read at a glance. Introducing Vizlib Ridgeline Plot, the 25th extension in Vizlib Library, the simplest way to see trends and distribution over time. Color can be used to highlight important insights within the data. The overlapping mountain or ridge shapes help you save valuable dashboard space and make visual comparison quick and easy.
Thanks for listening, and don't forget to follow us on social media.